Welcome back to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will learn how to display uploaded images in ASP.NET Web Forms. Showing images gives users immediate feedback and improves usability, especially in galleries, profiles, or CMS platforms. We will display images from the Uploads folder. You can either scan the folder directly or fetch image path from a database. Filtering by user ID ensures that users see only their own images. Use a repeater to bind image URLs. In the item template, render the image using the img tag. For thumbnails, set the width and height to 100 px or less. To fetch images directly from the Uploads folder, use directory.getFiles with a wildcard filter like star.jpg. Convert file path into virtual URLs for display in the browser. If you are storing the metadata in database, just query images using the file type column. Then build the URL by appending the uploads path. To preview images on hover, increase the image size temporarily using the inline JavaScript. This adds a simple zoom effect without extra libraries. Use Bootstrap's grid layout to make thumbnails responsive. Wrap each image inside a link to open the full image. You can also add spacing using Bootstrap classes like p-2. For a modern image preview, use Lightbox plugins like Lightbox 2. Clicking an image opens it in a model style overlay. It is perfect for galleries or portfolios. Security is important. Make sure users only access their own images. You can even prevent direct linking or move files outside the web root and serve them via a handler. For advanced usage, store image dimensions during upload. This lets you maintain the correct aspect ratio or display previews more elegantly. Instead of resizing images in the browser, generate real thumbnail files using system.drawing in the server-side code. This improves load time and performance. This snippet creates a 100x100 thumbnail from an uploaded image. You can run this during upload and store the thumbnail in a /thumbs/ folder. If needed, add a delete button below each image. Confirm the deletion and remove both the image file and its database entry. To improve performance, compress large images during upload. Use lazy loading to delay loading images that are off screen and serve them via a CDN if your app scales up. To recap, you can list and preview uploaded images in a responsive layout. Enhance previews with Lightbox or JavaScript and optimize loading through compression and security. In our next video, we will go beyond images and show how to upload and display PDF files right inside your web forms page. Don't miss it. Thanks again for learning with ASP NET and SQL Academy. Like, comment and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on real-world ASP.NET development.